What is up, guys? It is week 2 of our build challenge from Thrifting. We're trying to basically upgrade our bike for free. So week 2, we're going to recap for last week. If you didn't watch the video, there should be a card up top. Take a look at it. I'll link it in the description as well. Watch last week's video. That got us started. We took $40 and we're going to see if we can get it to 3 different parts for our bike just by spending $40 of our own money and then flip it all the way down. But you saw last week we sold one Xbox controller. We spent $40 on a bunch of different stuff. We sold one Xbox controller, profited about $14, and that was right at the end of last week. So we're just starting the next week. We got another one of these controllers sold. We got one more available. So that's another $14. And then we sold Mario Party 8. So we sold that. And that boosts. And then we got, like, after fees and shipping and everything, I think we got like 18 for that. So that takes us to, let's see, I think $46. So, $46. Yeah, it takes us to $46. So we actually have more money now than we started with. And that's the best part about this, is we got $46. I'm off work tomorrow, so I'm gonna go thrifting tomorrow, see what we can't find. But got $46, still have another controller and the Xbox 360 console to sell. So hopefully get some more money shortly, but that's the start of week 1, and we'll see what we're gonna find. What's up, guys? We stopped at one thrift store already. There wasn't anything in there, nothing really to even film, so we stopped at another one and about to go in and see what we can find. What's up, guys? End of week 2, we sold our pop, getting ready to package that up and ship it out. But we were at $42 after we picked up that pop and that tape player. Sold it after shipping fees and cost of goods. We're at $8, so we're right at $50. So I got 3 things left to sell, $50 in the bank. No parts bought yet. We've got almost enough to buy the risers, but obviously not going to spend all our money on a part. We won't have anything left over. So near the end of this week, we got 3 things we really got to sell. That Xbox, we really got to sell that, get some of that money back in our pocket. And that controller, once we sell that, that'll be good money. That tape player make us another, I don't know, close to another $8 roughly. So that was just something to grab. But hopefully next few days we'll get that stuff sold, and going to change my strategy a little bit on doing some thrifting, try to open up to some more ideas or anything to get this going a little bit better than what it is. But week 2, not horrible. So we're still going in the right direction. So we'll see what next week brings.